Substances can change from one state to another. Water changes state in the following ways. A solid is heated and changes into a liquid. For example, ice melts and becomes liquid water. Evaporation. A liquid is heated and changes into a gas. For example, water evaporates and becomes water vapor. Solidification. A liquid is cooled and changes into a solid. For example, liquid water solidifies and becomes ice. Condensation. A gas cools and changes into a liquid. For example, water vapor condenses and becomes drops of water. What are the states of water? Water is found everywhere on Earth, and it is necessary for life. It exists naturally in all three states, as a liquid, a solid, and a gas. Clouds are made up of small drops of liquid water and ice crystals. A geyser is the eruption of water. It is the eruption of water vapor and hot liquid water. Water vapor is water as a gas. Ice. Ice is solid water. It is found in cold places like the poles and on high mountains. Snow is made of ice. It forms when water vapor freezes. Liquid water is found in rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans. We use fresh water for drinking and agriculture, but seawater contains a lot of salt and we cannot drink it. Matter exists in three states. A solid has a fixed shape and fixed volume. For example, a pencil keeps the same shape and volume always. We cannot walk through a solid object like a wall. A liquid takes the shape of the container it is in. However, it has a fixed volume. We can swim through water because water is a liquid. Fruit juice and oil are also liquids. A gas does not have a fixed shape or fixed volume. It occupies the space of the container it is in. For example, air occupies the whole space of a room. We can walk through air easily. Water vapor and oxygen are gases. What are the properties of matter? Objects are different depending on the substances that they are made of. Color, shape, size, and smell are some of the properties of matter. All objects have two properties in common: mass and volume. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Heavy objects have greater mass than light objects. We measure mass in kilograms. Some things occupy a lot of space, but others occupy very little space. This is their volume. We measure volume in liters. What is matter? Matter is everything that takes up space. The children in the photo, their boat, the grass and the trees all take up space, so they are matter. We cannot see air, but it takes up space, so it is also matter. Each type of matter is a substance. Water, wood, and air are all substances. Light, sound, or our thoughts and feelings do not take up space, so they are not matter. So which things are matter? Light, air, water, or music? Which ones are matter? Which ones take up space? So are these a solid, a liquid, or a gas? So here we have water flowing, we have rocks, we have containers for diving under the water. So what is in these containers? And we have two people drinking. So which one is a solid, a liquid, or a gas?